birthday, Mia! This is for you. Buy whatever you want.
Wow, thank you, Mom. I really love it. But I don't need anything right now. Can you keep it for me? If I need it later, I will tell you.
Of course, my love. I'm so proud of you. You always think about what really matters.
Mom, do you remember the money I told you I hadn't needed yet? Can I have it now?
Of course, sweetheart. It's yours.
Thank you so much, Mom. I really appreciate it. I just need to work a little harder. If I save enough, I can help him. He won't have to be alone anymore. It will be worth it. Mom, can I have a little money today? I've finished all the chores.
Again? Okay, but what are you saving for?
It's a secret, for now. Mom, I got an A!
I knew you could do it.
Mom, can I have some money today too?
You're really working hard lately. All right, here you go.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Hello? Hi, Mia's mom. I'm her teacher. Recently, Mia has been skipping school. Can you talk to her, please? What? That's not possible. She left for school this morning. Thank you for letting me know. I'll talk to her. Mia skipped school today? And she's been asking me for money every day. What has been going on with her? Tomorrow, I will follow her.
Tom, I brought something for you. I don't need money. I just want someone to play with.
Then I will stay with you. But please take it. It can help you.
I've never collected this many bottles before.
We've already done a lot today. You're doing really well.
No one has helped me like this before. Thank you, Mia.
You don't have to say thank you. We're friends now, right?
She has been helping him all this time. And I didn't even know. My little girl. You have such a big heart.
Mom, I can explain. I didn't mean to lie.
It's okay. You don't have to explain. I saw everything. You didn't waste the money. You used it to help someone. No child should be alone like this. We will help him. Not just today, but for real.
Really, Mom?
Yes. He can be part of our family. You can stay with us. If you want, we can be your family.
A family for me?
Yes. And now you have us. Thank you for not leaving me.